Hi, I'm Steve with the Geeko Computer Service. I want to talk a little bit about web filters and protection for the home and the household. One of the most common ways to protect your computers from being able to get onto pornography and violent sites is to put a web filter on. You can download and install for free a variety of programs. One that I like and have recommended before is called Bluecoats K9. Bluecoats K9. You can Google it. It's free. Does a great job on an individual computer. When you have multiple computers and even cell phones that or smartphones that pick up your wireless signal, or tablets or iPads, then you may want to think about instead getting protection at the DNS level. Your router supplies the internet to everything in your house, whether it's wired or wireless. And so instead of installing software on each one of these devices, why don't we tell the router that it is to only use approved websites? The way you do that is by going in and programming the router so that it knows to only go to approved websites. You're going to need to first know how to get into your router. And the best way to do that, I'm going to show you right now on this computer. Okay, we're going to start by going to the Start button and clicking Start, and then right here in this space we're going to just type in CMD. CMD as in Charlie Michael David. It's command mode. A big black screen comes up, a blank black screen. What you want to type in here is ipconfig. ipconfig. It's going to show you the IP address of your computer. It's right here. This computer is 192.168.0.1. More importantly, this third line right here, this default gateway, is 192.168.0.1. Yours may be 1.1, 2.1. It's the default gateway is actually the address of the router, and so each router, the different brands and manufacturers have different IP addresses. Once we have that IP address, we can simply go start a Windows browser, and we can type in the IP address right up here in the address bar, 192.168.0.1, and it'll bring up the login for your router. So we happen to have a D-Link here, and the login for a D-Link happens to be admin and I'm guessing password. Nope. On a D-Link, I think it's admin and admin. These are the default factory settings, and that doesn't work either. We're going to try one more, admin with no password for a D-Link, and I still don't have it. So I will have to get that and continue on. So let's pause for now, and we'll create a second video for these other things.